Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to automate live chat with Zapier. To automate a live chat with Zapier, just basically create a workflow or Zap by selecting a trigger event in live chat, maybe a new chat starting, and an action, the app of your choice. Okay. So in here, just go ahead and create your free Zapier account. Now go ahead and click on create right here. Click on Zaps. Okay. Now once you have decided the other app that you'd like to connect with live chat, well, all you need to do, again, as I've said earlier, is to create an event like creating a new contact into your CRM. Okay, so to make that possible, in here we have the trigger. Okay, so what you'll do is just find live chat in this section. Okay, click on live chat, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead and log in or sign in with your live chat account. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, enter your live chat account and then scroll down and it will need a personal access token. So just click on this link right here and it will open up a new tab. It says, welcome to developer console of live chat. Okay. So I'm just going to close this one and then I'm going to go ahead and click on create new token. Name it, maybe live chat Zap. Okay. Access scopes. So I'm going to select all. If you want, you can go ahead and customize it. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and select all. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down and hit on create token. All right. Now what you'll do is just copy the token right here and save the token now, as it says here, because you won't be able to see it after the page reloads. Okay. Copy, save it in a safe place, and the base64 encoded token as well, as you might need this one later on. Okay, I'm going to copy the token. Now go back to the pop-up right here, paste, and then just hit on yes, continue to live chat. Okay, now let's go back to Zapier. As you can see here, it's now loading. There you go. Again, the trigger event, as I've said earlier, is the new chat. Okay, chat is started. So we're going to click on it, hit on continue. Now wait for the test button to pop out. Now click on it and then just hit on continue. Okay, now once that's done, it's just going to ask us a event. So just tap away and here we have action. Now go ahead and find your CRM. Okay, it could be HubSpot, Pipedrive, MailChimp, Salesforce, Knowledge Base, Help Desk, and it goes a long way. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and maybe choose, okay, just maybe MailChimp, okay, right here. If you can't find your CRM right here specifically, you can go ahead and use the search bar and find it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and use MailChimp as an example. Now I'm going to go ahead and, oops, mine is already connected. Okay, again, if yours is not, just go click on sign in. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on select an action event. Okay, so how this basically works is that whenever there's a new chat in your live chat account right here, Zapier right here will ask MailChimp to what? Okay, now you go ahead and select your action event. Maybe create an audience, okay, or maybe unsubscribe or delete a contact, or search, okay. You have a ton of options right here, or maybe add or update a subscriber. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select this option, and then I'm going to hit on continue. In here, it's going to ask for the audience or which block or a folder of audience it will be sent. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. Now, subscriber email, we have the field mapping in here. You can go ahead and click on the plus sign. Now you can go ahead and select the email right here, visitor email from live chat. Okay, click on it. There you have it. Now the status, it could be subscribed, unsubscribed, cleaned, pending, transactional. Okay, I'm just going to leave it to subscribed. Double opt-in, true or false. Update existing, yes or no. Replace groups, and some other options. Okay, you can go ahead and play around with these options, but for this video I'm just gonna hit on continue. Okay, right here I'm gonna go ahead and click on test this step. Okay, wait for it. And if you got the check mark right here, that means that we are ready. Okay, you can now go ahead and click on publish right here at the bottom right, or publish right here at the top right. So I'm just going to open up MailChimp right here real quick. And then I'm going to go back to Zapier and I'm going to explain to you again what will happen. Okay, once you hit on publish, everything right here will go online. So you can go ahead and close Zapier. Okay, and everything again will be automated. So whenever LiveChat receives a new chat, Zapier right here will go ahead and request MailChimp to add or update a subscriber depending on how you configure MailChimp right here. Okay, now I'm going to open up MailChimp right here. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead over to, of course, audience. Okay, and as you can see here, we now have this example email. The source is from Zapier. This was the test earlier. But that's just basically it. That is how you automate live chat with Zapier. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.